discuss one of the most important question which you are going to use further also into the further standards also. It is factorization, which we have already discussed into the 8th standard. You can see this factorization. I have written into the bracket, it is a quadratic polynomial. As we discussed earlier also in this chapter, that as this polynomial has highest degree 2, it's a quadratic polynomial. Now let's learn how to find the factors of the quadratic polynomial. To obtain the factors of this quadratic polynomial, first you should remember the term should be arranged in the correct order. The highest power term should be the first, that means the x square, then the term x and the constant term. Now there are three things which you should remember while you are factorize this question, this type of polynomial, quadratic. Let's see the first thing. You have to find out the factors of which number. So your answer is the product of x square and the constant. 12 into 1. So answer is 12. So the first question, you have to find out the factors of 12. Now you should ask the second question. We have to split which term? This factorization method is also called the splitting method. We have to split the middle term, that is -7. And we have to obtain -7 by addition based on the last sign. As the last sign is plus, because the product is also positive, we have to obtain the middle term by addition. There are three things. Let us repeat. You have to find out the factors of which number you have to obtain, which term, and how you have to obtain the term. So the answer of the first question, we have to do the product of first and last, that is 12 ones are 12. So we have to find the factors of 12 by addition, which is based on the sign, or we can say the product is positive. So by addition, and we have to obtain -7. So let us write all the possible factors of 12. All the possible factors of 12. So 12 ones are 2 6 are 3 4s are. These are the three possible factors of 12. Now you can see that the sum of which two number is 7. We can say 12 plus 1 can never be 7. 2 plus 6 is not 7. And 3 plus 4, yes, that is 7. So this could be the factors. We have to get the middle term by addition. So इन दोनों का addition 7 नहीं आ रहा है. इन दोनों का भी नहीं, इन दोनों का आ रहा है. So these are our factors 3 and 4. What we have to obtain? -7. So factors would be -3, -4, that is -7. So what we are going to do, we'll split this middle term. So you should remember your first term as it is. When you are splitting the middle term, as we discussed, -3, -4. As the middle term is x, so it should be -3x, 4x. And the last term as it is. You can see that I have split the middle term. So the sum of these two is -7x. Now what next? Then common from first two and last two. The common factors, 3x is common. When I take out 3x common, so it remains 4x. See, 4 3s are 12, x square. Sign is minus, as 3x is taken out, it remains 1. We should always put the sign of the third term as it is minus, then the bracket. Now the common from this two, nothing is common, so we should write the term as it is. We should remember when we take out the minus sign, the sign of this term should be changed. After doing this, you can observe that both the bracket must be equal. So that term should be common, or we can say the bracket. And into the second bracket, the common term as it is -1. The common term, that is 3x minus 1. When you are multiplying this, you obtain the quotient. That's how the sum has to be done. Let's see few more questions of splitting method. As the question is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So there are three questions we should always remember to simplify or to find the factors. We have to find out the factors of which number, which term we have to obtain, and how do we obtain that term. किसके factors निकालने हैं, कौन सी term लानी है और कैसे लानी है. So let's answer the first question. We have to find the factors of which number. So it based on the product of the coefficient of x square and the constant. So we have to find the factors of 6. अब कौन सी term लानी है, which term we have to obtain. So it is the middle term, the coefficient of x. We have to obtain plus 7. Third, how do we obtain? See, the product is positive as well as the last term is plus. So we have to obtain the middle term 7 by addition. So let's find out all the possible factors of 6. So 2 3s are 6, 1 6 are 6. Now look at this. I'll do the sum of which two numbers and I'll obtain 7. 2 plus 3, it won't be 7. But 1 plus 6 is 7. So my factors are 1 plus 6. So I got the answer of all the three questions. We have to find the factors of 6. We have to obtain 7 by addition. Got it? So these are the split two terms of 7. So let us write those both the terms. So 2x square, you can change the order, that doesn't matter. Plus x plus 6x. So what I have done, I have split the 7x in two parts. X plus 6x, 7x. Common from first to last two. The common is x, so it remains 2x plus 1. The third term sign is plus. Now the common is 3, so it remains 2x plus 1. You should remember this, both the bracket with the sign must be equal. ये दोनों bracket के terms sign के साथ equal होने चाहिए. So one common term is 2x plus 1 and another common is x plus 3. So these are the factors. Let us see one more question. It is 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. So again, there are three questions. We have to find the factors of which number. So the answer is 6 into 6. 6 into 6, 36. But you can see as it is minus 6, the answer is minus 36. Okay, so we have to find the factors of 36. Second, which term we have to obtain? The middle term, plus 5. How do we obtain? As the last term is minus as well as the product is minus. So we have to find the factors of 36. We have to obtain 5 by subtraction. So let us write all the possible factors of 36. So 1 36 are, so the subtraction won't be 5. 2 18s are, again the subtraction won't be 5. 3 12s are, again the subtraction won't be 5. 4 9s are. So you can see that this subtraction of 4 and 9 is 5. So 4 9s are 36 and 9 minus 4. See the subtraction, there are two ways we can do. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 and 9 minus 4 is plus 5. We have to obtain plus 5. So these are our factors. See, even the sign is very important. Which term should be positive, which term should be negative is based on the sign of the middle term. So you should remember, agar middle term minus 5 hota, so this could be the factors, plus 4 and minus 3. Okay, so we obtain the answer. इसमें से कोई भी नहीं है. So our factors are 4 9 and these are the factors. 6x square, as the sign we have written plus 9 minus 4 minus 6. You can see that plus 5 is divided into plus 9 minus 4. The common from first to and last two. The common is 3x. So it remains 2x plus 3. The third term sign minus is there. Remember, अब जब minus common निकालोगे तो ये sign हमेशा change होगी. So what is common? 2 is common. So it is 2x plus 3. So one is 2x plus 3, that is the common, and another is 3x minus. Thus we can, these are the two factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6.